everyone, my name is Manju and welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're watching my video, then please do hit that subscribe button. Also, do not forget to hit on the bell notification to get update as soon as I post a new video. So as I mentioned in my previous video that I'll be sharing a video on how to apply fake nails. So in this video I'll be sharing the process of applying fake nails very easily at your home. So for this process you'll be requiring 3 products. So the first one being fake nails. So I bought this set of nails from Shein.com. So I got this 1 week before it got banned. As it is banned already, I'll try and search for similar products in Amazon and provide the links in the description. You can check out. Second product being Miss Claire nail glue gel. You can use any nail glue, but I'm using Miss Claire nail glue gel. I have already spoken about this product in my previous video. If you haven't watched that video, then please do check out. I'll provide the link here. And the last product you would be requiring is a nail filer. You can use any nail filer. I bought this from a local shop. For all the products I'm using for this process, the links will be provided in the description. You can check out. So now without any delay, let's get into the process. So this is how my nails look now. So let's see how this turns out after applying fake nails. Coming to the process, for the first step, this is not mandatory for all. So I got bunch of nails here. So in order to know which nail fits my nail beds, I just included step 1 as segregating the nails that fits your nail beds. So if you get pack of 10, that is very easy for you to know which nail goes to which finger. So this was my first step. Second step, you need to file all the nails using any nail filer. As these are fake nails, there will be some sharp edges, so you don't want to hurt yourself or hurt others. So use a nail filer and just smoothen all the edges. For the last process, which is applying a nail glue, this I should say is my favorite product. So this comes with a tip like this, which makes the application very easy. You need to take the nail, apply some nail glue and then place it very gently and carefully onto your nail bed. Take a nail, place it this way and apply some glue. So once you are done applying, so you don't want any excess glue to come out, so take any cloth and then press it on the nail so that it is secure at its place and also there is no leakage of glue. Very simple process. You can just do your nails on your own at your home very easily just with 3 products. So once I'm done with the process, this is how my nails look and I just love it. I think I just applied just one coat of the glue and this looks so good and this sticks very well. Yeah, this sticks very well. That's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed watching the video and found it helpful, and you need not choose the same nails, so you get some small size, medium sized and large sized nails in different shapes available in different colors. So I chose this matte black color because I feel this is very, you know, everyday sort of color. So you can prefer anything based on your choice. And also, if you're someone who is not comfortable wearing fake nails daily, then you can save it up for some occasions, like if it's your birthday, if it's your event, you can definitely try these nails. These are so good and the Miss Claire glue is so damn good. This is the first time I'm trying fake nails and I quite like it. I don't mind trying this again and again. If you like the video, you know what to do. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back again next week with one more exciting video. So until then, also I just showed this process only on one hand because there is no point of me showing the same process on two hands. For now,